Hi everybody, this is Tanya Johnson and this is Lessons in the Dark. And today I'm going to start with some kitchen safety. This was recommended by my friend Jamie. Hi Jamie, this is for you. So today we're going to talk about stoves and what kind of stove is good if you are visually impaired. Now, those of you that still have some vision can see that I have one of the glass stove tops, and it is dirty, and I left it that way on purpose because I'm going to actually clean my stove top today. And I'm going to talk about one of the most important safety rules that I learned at the state facility here in my state, and teach you how to do it. So as you can see, I have tactile markers. I know what each of these markers means. So this is the bake button, this is the start the bake button, this is the stop, this is the up and down temperatures. I kind of had to learn where my burner dials are. I have trouble remembering that, so I will eventually mark it, probably in Braille, because I can't ever remember what goes where. But the stovetop itself, this is the most important thing you need to know. The visually impaired should not have a flat glass top stove, because it is almost impossible to tell where your pan goes. This one's a flat stovetop. I still have some of my vision. Someday I will have to get something else because I cannot, right now I can see it. Eventually I will not be able to. So before you clean, before you cook, before you do anything, I was taught to wave your hand. This is still hot right here, over the stove top. Now the reason this is still hot right here is I actually did homemade soap today, and I didn't have enough water, so I had to re-cook the soap and make it, so this is still hot here where my hands are. For those of you who can't see it, the bottom right hand corner of the stove is still hot. So I know that is an area where I need to be careful. Let me grab some water. Now, since I was doing homemade soap, this is all soap that's still on the stove top. So I know to be careful with this lower right hand corner of the stove, because that was still hot when I waved my hand over it. So I kind of wiped over it real quickly, not with my bare hand obviously. I used the cloth that I'm using to clean the stove top, and it is quite hot still, so I'm probably not going to go over that a lot at the moment. But anyway, there I have wiped the entire stovetop down. It may need it again later since I did spill soap on it. But that's a lot cleaner than it was a few minutes ago. So as I wave my hand over, there's an indicator light up on the upper right that shows that the stove may still be hot, but I can feel it when I wave my hand over that lower right hand corner. So that's one of the most important things you need to remember when cooking in the dark, because you do not want to put something down and have it melt or catch fire, and you do not want to burn yourself. So always wave your hand over the stove top before you begin any task. So that's all I have for you today. I will be doing another video very, very soon with some cooking tips, and I hope to see you all again soon.